Sanibonani, igama lami ngingu-Emihle. Ngizonitshela ngesifundo engisifundisiwe esikoleni. Igama lesikole sami sesikhululiwe primary school. Let's educate a rainbow nation, calling on South African. It's time to take a stand. Gather around and join us as we read across our land. Open a book which opened the mind. Incredible thing inside your fight. Amazing adventures are sure to be had. As you travel the world or simple your land. No pictures, no problem. Imagination is key. Think and dream big. What can you see? Reading is fine and knowledge is power. The future is ours. Don't waste another hour. So learn to read and read to learn, because leader make leader nation. It is up to equip future generation. No other the book is finished. No more pages left to pay it forward, so someone can learn. Related to create rainbow nation. Yes.